Hello guys! How are you all doing? Hope you're having an amazing day. We are Maqbool Solutions, a registered software company. If you're a retailer, wholesaler, or involved in trading, whether in medical or non-medical fields, or own any type of business, and you need a reliable software solution to manage your inventories, accounts, billing, and point-of-sale POS needs, then guess what? Maqbool Solutions has got you covered. We offer a complete and powerful software solution to make business management smooth, efficient, and stress-free. If you want to see demonstrations, you can visit our official Facebook page, eSalesAnalyst. Here, our customers are frequently mentioned and posts are regularly updated. Want more details? Visit our official website, eSalesAnalyst.com, where you'll find feature details, pricing plans, contact information, and software download links. You can even download a 15-day trial and install it on your system or PC, absolutely free. Our software does not require an internet connection to run or manage. Yes, you heard that right. You can operate it offline, anytime, anywhere. But wait, if you do have a stable internet connection, you unlock advanced online features like monitoring your business through our Android app and web app. Still wondering how it works? No worries. Detailed training videos and demos are already available on our official YouTube channel, eSalesAnalyst. Just pick a module, watch an in-depth video, and start managing your business like a pro. Now, let's see what advanced features you get in the desktop software. On the login screen, you will enter your username and password. You can create unlimited users and assign different access levels to each user. Isn't that amazing? For example, you can allow a specific person to generate bills, create invoices, or edit them, giving you complete control over who does what. No more unnecessary access. Once logged in, you'll see the main dashboard, which is one of the most unique features of this software. It gives you a complete summary of your business at a glance. Your key accounts, number of customers, total receivable amounts, total payable cash, and even bank balances. Everything in one place. That's incredible. Next, in the Invoices module, you can generate daily payers bills and invoices effortlessly. Need to edit or delete something? No problem at all. As long as the user has the right permissions, they can make the necessary changes. eSalesAnalyst Advanced POS software not only allows you to create thermal bills for cash and carry, marts, etc., but you can also generate bills on A4 or A5 paper. Plus, you can even attach an A4 printer for seamless printing. In the new invoice option, the moment you click or press the shortcut key and add an entry, bam, you're instantly redirected to your main sales screen or sales window. Here, you can manage your main items' names, scan items, enter special codes, or search for products by name. How convenient is that? The customization options? Absolutely endless. You can apply discounts item-wise, percentage-wise, sales tax, withholding tax, you name it. Want to manage location-based bonuses and quantities? No problem. You can enable or disable these features as per your needs, and guess what? Separate sales settings are available for each option. Handling multiple sales counters? No worries. You can track each person's or each counter's sales separately. Need to generate bills for cash payments? Done. Want to accept payments via bank transfers? Easy. And here's the best part. This software supports multiple payment modes, whether it's cash, bank transfers, easyPayza, JazzCash, or any other account. You can manage and maintain them all at once. How cool is that? Oh, and if you allow credit-based purchases where customers buy on credit and later make payments, don't stress. There are built-in features for tracking recoveries too. Running a mart or a medical store? This POS has got your back. You get complete account management options for tracking recoveries and payments from suppliers and customers, ensuring smooth operations every single day. If you have actions available, whether it's daily or bulk inventory purchases, you can go to the Purchase module and enter their quantities, purchase prices with or without tax, retail prices, wholesale prices if applicable, and distribution prices. Once you save your bill, your inventory gets updated automatically. At the same time, your cash balance is adjusted if you've made a payment to the supplier. Plus, with a single click, even the supplier's prices get updated. Similarly, if you want, you can deeply track your stock and inventories by company, supplier, location, and unit. You can also track inventories based on category and subcategory. You can see which item was purchased when it was sold, and even check which item was available in which batch, where it failed, how much quantity failed, and at what rate it failed. You can track your inventories in detail. You've seen that you have complete options for customer balances, right? If you need a full detailed report that customers require, guess what? All the detail options are available in the software. If you need details of a supplier in a similar manner, deep ledgers are also available. If you want a complete list of suppliers showing payments made and outstanding balances, you can generate that list too. In the staff module, you can not only register your staff members and record their details, but also maintain their complete ledgers. You can track advanced salaries given, pending salaries, when salaries were processed, and how much salary is due. Everything at your fingertips. Just like cash. Why do you say that? Do you also get daily closings showing how much cash came in and how much went out in the business? This is such a powerful software. You can create your own cash book and maintain your daily cash closings. It even provides detailed statements when the cash came in, how much went out, the opening balance, and the closing balance. Amazing, right? With this, you have already seen that the software also has the option to maintain bank accounts. Through the bank ledger, you can easily check which bank has how much amount available. Isn't that great? You can even track which customer has deposited money with you, which supplier is still unpaid, along with their slip numbers, deposit IDs, and more. In the expense module, not only can you maintain your expenses, but you can also manage utility bills, expenses, daily expenditures, etc. You can handle everything on a monthly or yearly basis. Moreover, you can not only maintain them, but also relate and edit them. Concept of salary details is the same as when you provide salaries, etc. to your staff. Through this option, you can also maintain and manage their salaries. In the salesman option, you can also maintain a record of the salesman working under you. You can track how much sales they have made in a month, year, or any other criteria you set. You can monitor their performance, how much profit and loss they have generated, and even generate a detailed report on their sales activities. You have reporting options available in almost every module. For example, there is a reporting option in the stock module, and similarly, reporting options are available in the customers module. Additionally, a separate option has been created in the software for detailed profit and loss reports. Apart from this, you can also generate reports stock-wise, category-wise, and subcategory-wise. And guess what? You even get options for bonus-wise claims and discounts. Not just that, you can also manage advanced accounting options like category-wise sale, trial balance report, and balance sheet within the eSalesAnalyst POS software. In the advanced option of utilities, there is a delete history option, which allows you to view different deleted invoices, check their details, and even see the reason why they were deleted. You can also check which salesman deleted them and for what reason. With the help of system shortcuts and system, you can go to the Generate Barcode option to generate barcodes. If you have a product that is barcode, you can generate its barcode as well. If you want to financially close your business after a certain period, this software provides an advanced option that you can use for this purpose. If you ever need to view records after financial closing, you can generate old reports and check their details too. There is an audit option that allows you to conduct a deep audit of your business yearly or monthly. You can generate detailed reports and track everything in depth. With this, you have general settings options available, which allow you to customize and monitor your business. You can choose which options you need. Do you want to generate reports or not? Should reporting options be available in your business or not? And guess what? All the advanced options you need can be managed right here. Not just that. You can also configure thermal printer settings. Want a specific type of print? You got it. Whenever you start using the software for the first time, the first thing you do is set it up. All the settings you need, you customize them. And just like that, your setup is ready to go. Oh, and let's talk about backups. Worried about losing data? Don't be. You can create a local backup or even an online backup using the Create Online Backup option. Plus, if you want, you can store a backup in your local disk drive. And wait, there's more. The software even has an auto backup feature, which means it keeps saving your data automatically. So even if something goes wrong, your data is safe. This was just a quick intro video where I showed you the basic starting options. Want to explore the software in detail? Head over to our YouTube channel and check it out now.